Hello, my name is Gabriel. I will be showing you how to create a clay cactus. Before you start, you will need clay and water. How to create a clay cactus by Gabriel. First, you will make the clay into a ball shape with your hands. Next, you will start to shape the ball into a pot. That will be the base of the cactus. Then, you form the shape of the main body, which will go into the pot. When you do this, you will also create and attach the arms. After that, you will create and attach the eyes. Once you are finished with the eyes, you paint the torso green. After painting the torso green, you paint the pot brown. Now it is time to Mod Podge the cactus. This is what the final result looks like.